Hey everybody, this is Pete with Hydroblocks West. That's Hydroblocks West. So you can go to our website and get more information at hydroblockswest.com, and that's Hydroblocks with an X. So here we have a real common problem that lots of homeowners have all around the United States, and you've got a retaining wall. What you've got here is a retaining wall where the neighbor's water is coming through the seams of this wall, and nobody wants to replace the whole wall. So what we did was we cut the concrete and we put in hydroblocks all the way up to the end of the top fence, brought it back through, brought it underneath the fence, okay, and then we're going to connect back to a sump pit, and I'm going to show you that right now. And this is how we're connecting hydroblocks into a sump basin, and then the sump will put the water out to the street. So they have a pool, you can hear the pool pump running, but we're bringing the hydroblocks back through here, running it through this trench, and then we're going to take it through that slot that we cut into the sump basin. And as you can see, we're making another cut over here to do the same thing on that side. So we'll have hydroblocks running from that side and hydroblocks running from this side into the sump pit, and that's how we do it. Again, for more information, hey Ben, can you put that through there just to see how it fits? Show how it fits. Beautiful, huh, folks? And what we'll do is we'll come back when this is done. We'll silicone the seam, make it look nice and pretty, but for utilitarian purposes too. But that's how we do it, folks. If you have an application where you have to connect to a sump, use the hydroblocks, connect it into the sump basin, and it's a great solution. For more information, go to hydroblockswest.com. Again, that's Hydroblocks with an X.